Hey folks, Dave from DD Performance Research here, and this is going to be a walk-around video for Ivan's 2ZZ GE build for his MR2 Spyder. This is a projected 600 to about 650 horsepower at the tire on E85. So lots of stuff to discuss here, so I'm going to try to move kind of quickly. As you can see, it's a whole lot of custom parts. This exhaust is a 3.5-inch dual outlet. We've got one side that it actually does have a dump that goes there, a cutout plate, and then the other side is actually catalyzed and muffled. It is a recirculated system, so you can see we've got the dual Turbo Smart wastegates there that feed the recirculated into the exhaust right on this side here. All right, and then the turbo is an EFR. It's a pretty decent size. Let's see if we can get to the number on there, but you can see it's a 7670. It's a twin scroll. It's a custom turbo manifold we built for it. We've done a video on that before. So really nice unit, should spool up really fast, make lots of power. The intercooler, as you see here, has an integrated reservoir, and that is a one of our customs. It's using a Garrett core. The core is rated to about 1,000 horsepower. Obviously should be slightly overkill for this application, which is what we want. You can see we've got these nice vibrant HD clamps on the system. Everything is in the basically the black and polished theme except for the titanium on the exhaust. Coming around to this side, we have one of our DD Performance Research long runner 2ZZ intake manifolds, and we've got a Ross Machine Racing throttle body on there. It's an 82.5mm throttle body, and you can see this piping path on this is very short. It comes from the turbo. You've got about a foot and change, maybe a little less than a foot and a half into the intercooler, and then out of the intercooler you've got about another foot to the throttle body, so if that. So very, very nice direct piping path. It's a long runner intake manifold, and the reason we did that is this motor is actually a stroker. It has the Monkey Wrench Racing 2-liter stroker crank on it. Fully ported Freya valve train. It does have Piper Stage 2 cams. It's got, I believe it's the Carrillo Pro H rods with carb bolts, Wiseco HD pistons with upgraded wrist pins. So this motor is built for basically the maximum amount of power you can safely make on a 2ZZ without starting to do like a closed deck or something like that. So that's pretty much it for the walk around. You can see also we've got a radium rail on here and some injector dynamic injectors. I believe we have the 1700 cc's on here. That way we'll have enough overhead for the kind of power we want to make. And that's about it. So thanks for joining us. If you have any questions, feel free to post them, and I'll make sure I get some nice pictures of this beautiful powertrain up on our Facebook page, and there'll be another video posted once it goes in the car. Thanks.